Hello friends and welcome to the second bonus video of our series. In this series we will learn how to implement an icon or image in our title section. If you have opened any website before, so whenever we open a website, suppose Facebook or we will take YouTube. So whenever we open a website YouTube, there's an icon available on this section. First let the video website to be loaded. So there's one icon available in the title section. This is known as favicon. So if you open Google will have their own favicon here, available one icon, and similarly for Facebook. So most of the website have their icon available on the title section. So how to put that icon? This icon is known as favicon. So we will learn how to put it. For this purpose, you should have one image. In our previous video, we have learned already about images and their extension, which is JPG, GIF or PNG. But in order to put an image in the title section, you should have the extension ICO, which represent for icon. So you should have an icon format for the image. So if you until now if you don't know about website designing or you don't have any idea about website designing, then we are giving the link below. So follow that video, and there are around 6 videos for the website designing using HTML. Follow that video and you will learn how to create awesome website using HTML. There are a whole lot of things that are going to come in our future video. So now suppose you are already having an image. There are some particular rules to implement the icon in your title bar. For that purpose, your image should have fixed width and height and in fixed proportion, that is 1:1. For example, your width should be 16 pixels by 16 pixels or 32 pixels by 32 pixels or 64 pixels by 64 pixels. So width and height should be same. So you should have one image ready already. Now there are two options to convert a normal JPG or PNG image into icon image. First is online. You could do this work online also. You will just type JPG to icon online. Alright. So this is the website. We will give the link of this website in the description section also. So using this website, you have to first give the settings. Alright, 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 or 64 by 64. Then the colored, grayscale, monochrome, negate or any other. Basically we use colored only. And then enhance, if you want to enhance someone. This is known as dot per inch, dot pixels per inch. We will talk about it in our later video in CorelDRAW and Photoshop. And this one, if you want to crop it from top, left, right, bottom section. Alright, you will give the name of the file and then you will just drag the image, or you will just open the image and you will convert it, and you will get a icon file for the required thing. Another way is, if you don't want to do it online, you could do it offline also. First you should have a software which is known as Imagicon. There are other softwares also available in the market to convert a normal image into icon format. So if you use this one Imagicon, for example, there are some settings in the options section, icon setting. So the desired size of the icon to be generated, 16 by 16, 48, 128, 32 or 64. We will suggest you 32 or 64 is the ideal size. Alright. If you will enable a transparency and if you will give some color, so that particular color will be transparent. Okay. Then there are some other settings also, like save directory. So where you want to save, we are using desktop. Okay. So you will just create an image of fixed ratio, that is very much important. So the width and height should be same. You will just drag the image here and your icon will be generated. We are currently having one icon. We will show you with an example. Here we are having already favicon. We named it favicon. This is our icon. If I move my mouse over it, then we can see that the file type is icon and its width is 64 and height is 64. Okay, so this is the image. Alright, so what we will do is we will implement one simple code here. We will copy this one and I would like to show you the code for that one. Now we will open the notepad and we will open the section where we are doing our previous normal works. Favicon.html, or we will simply open one already designed web page. This one was our first web page in the tutorial HTML, so we will just put simply the favicon here. So in order to put the favicon, what you have to remember is inside your head section, you will type this one inside your head section, >sign, link, rel means relation, icon, and h reference, the reference of the location of the icon. Okay, so this is the location of your icon, and type you will give icon/ico, and sizes also you could do. So only this thing you have to do. What I will do, I will first make it comment. We have to do one more thing here, since we are not having this one in our location. So what we will do is here everything. So inside our images file, this favicon should available here. You could name anything to the favicon. It doesn't necessary that you have to give the name favicon only. So after that, what you will do, here you are having the code, you are having the image available. Okay, so first I will make it comment and I will show you the web page normally how is it appearing. Then we will see it after applying favicon in it. So if you don't apply favicon, then there's a plain text title available, but there's no icon available. Now we have already written the code for the favicon. Now we will uncomment it. Okay, so this is the code for the favicon. Make sure you are having that icon available in your particular directory and you write all this code there. Okay, size you mention, type you mention, and when we will see the preview, now available the favicon available in our website. So this is the way. Here you have learned how to convert a normal image into icon. It's important that you use for the favicon icon type images because it gets supported in all browsers, whether it's Chrome, Firefox or some other browser. And secondly, you have also learned how to convert a normal image into favicon using online or offline method. Hope you like our video. If you don't know about HTML, so link is available in the down section. You could in the description, so you could go to follow that link and start learning HTML and website designing. And do subscribe our video so that you don't miss any of the important videos coming in the future. Thank you.